Hi, my name is Steve Adcock, and 10 years ago we came and purchased this farm, and our first electric bill was $790 for 1 month in the month of January. At that point we knew that we had to do something because we couldn't afford to spend that kind of money every month. So we called several different solar panel companies, and the only people that called us back was YellowLite. As you can see, we have 49 panels. Currently, right now, we only pay electric 4 months out of 12 of the year. They came, installed, within a week, everything was up and running. Anytime we had any questions, they called us back right away. We really hope that you take the opportunity to let them quote your job. Thank you.